Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, April the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. That's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it block. In Japanese, Suguru. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So I don't think it's a 4-star puzzle. Maybe a 1-star or 2-star puzzle. 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Wow. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. And this puzzle will be number 8313. All right. 1 minute and 30 seconds is already passed. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see 2 single boxes here, 1 and there 1. Always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Alright, next question. Do we have here duo boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Here duo box, and there a duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, I need more information. I cannot fill this yet. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. Okay, next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 3 and that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those. Yeah. Same for the other side. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. But it can be a 5. We have a 5 there, so should be a 4 then. Alright. More triple boxes? No. Then, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Let me scan for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Well, here we have a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. So let me wait for this one. Okay, next strategy. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Well. And this box, I've marked this box earlier with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. It's rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about let me see. This shape. We have this kind of shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Wait, 4. And here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. A 5. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. I believe this one, it's rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Well, it's rotated, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Yes, here. The L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right, let me see. Well. These two boxes surround the one can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left for the one in this T-shaped area should be here. Is also connected with that box should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And then this box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Is connected with that box should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. Look, we have a 2 here, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We go down. All right, here. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this squash area. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Then, let me think. Well. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then let me think. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And that box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for the 4. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this squash area are the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. And it's connected with that box. So 2 and 5. And 1 box left in this L-shaped area. Also for the 2 and the 5. Okay. Well, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Alright. 1 box left here with a 3 and a 4. 1 box left in this squash area for number 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, and here we have a 3 and a 4. Need to wait. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3 and a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there, and it can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yes, definitely 2. All right. Then let me see. 3 and a 4. Okay, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I need a 4 here. And I need a 3 here. Well. Let me think. Well, I'm stuck here. Come on. What's happening? 3 and 4. 3 and 4 also there. 3 and 4 This box cannot be a 1. This box can be, this is an important box because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Could be a 2, cannot be a 3 because if I place a 3 here, we need a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. Can also not be a 4 because we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 4 cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Yeah, need a 2. Okay. Then, interesting. This box cannot be a 2 or a 3, so 1 or 4. Okay. So the 3 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. So now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box in this area should be the 3. Alright. And now, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 1. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 60 minutes, told you. Could be a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so 60 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Friday. Yes, it's a weekend. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.